Back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create Telegram AI assistant bot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create Telegram AI assistant bots, all you can do is simply go and register your Telegram. You can simply go and tap on Telegram. Here on Telegram, you can find Bot Father. Once you find Bot Father, you can simply tap on New Bot. Once you have tapped on New Bot command, follow the prompts to choose a name and a username for your bot. The username must end with bot, and BotFather will provide a unique API token. Copy this token and store it securely, as you will need this for the next step. So now you need to build the AI functionality. You have the token, so simply use it to build the AI functionality. Train and customize your bot accordingly and deploy and share it once the bot is created. So once you're satisfied with the bot's performance, you can share it via link with your users. So this way you can create Telegram assistant bots in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.